Uh-oh, that's no good. We gotta fix that. Alright, so I got a quick video for you here. Just got to do a little repair on this hose pipe and also have a solution to the issue that we have, because that was actually a boiler valve, and you see there it's kind of sticking out at an upward angle, so it's just pinching the hose. So I got this elbow at Home Depot, this brass elbow, so it'll go on and it'll come down more at an angle like this, so it'll be easy on the hose. And then also got a new hose end, brass as well, from Home Depot. So let's throw it on. Alright, so first thing we got to do is, of course, take this hose off. And we are going to put our elbow on here. That thing good and tight. So all we're going to do here is cut this hose below the point where it's broken. Just going to use some wire cutters to do that. Alright. Not the cleanest cut, but it really doesn't matter. Alright, so now that we got that cut, get our pipe clamp on, get the threaded piece on, and slip our nipple connector in tight. Pull this back over. There we go. Take our main clamp here and run it down. Good and tight, but not so tight that it would break that nipple. Put our O-ring in. Reconnect. Make sure this close this back. I'm going to release the pressure. And there we go. Alright, looks like we got a tiny leak right there. Yep, a little bit of a leak right there. Let's see if we can get this tightened down a little more. There we go. That's all it needed. Alright, and we should be good to go. So there you go, just a quick one for you today. If you like this, found it helpful, any of those things, the typical, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.